issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex County, southern Delaware, southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, Caroline County in eastern Maryland, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Churchill to near Denton to 13 miles south of Cambridge, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and vehicle-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Georgetown, Smyrna, Milford, Seaford, Chestertown, Denton, Millsboro, Laurel, Harrington, Camden, and Cheswold. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: in Delaware, Kent, Newcastle, and Sussex, and the following counties: in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, and Queen Anne's. The current time is 7:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Hey.